If you have been finding it very difficult to create Alipay, this video is for you. I will be taking you on a step-by-step guide on how to create Alipay in 2026. First off, you need 3 requirements. First, your mobile number, your local mobile number in whatever country you are, or an email address. Second, you need your international passport. The third requirement you need is a mobile device that is NFC enabled. For me, I would advise you to use iPhones because it is easier to capture your passport chip than Android. There are many reasons why you need an Alipay account. First, if you are buying goods from China and you have many suppliers you always pay to, and sometimes you have smaller orders you buy from them, it is easier for you to fund your Alipay account and then pay them yourself in a point whereby you have dispute with them. Maybe they don't supply your goods and all that. You can easily request for refund with your Alipay account. If you are also an online shopper, you buy from Chinese websites like 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Shanyu, and the rest, it is very much easier for you to use Alipay as a payment for payment settlement. Then, if you are coming to China, I cannot overemphasize the need of an Alipay account. Coming to China with cash will be less convenient for you than when you have an Alipay account, because Alipay will make it very much easy, both in transportation, transacting in the local market, and whatever thing you want to do. Alipay has it all in one. So if you are coming to China, this video is also for you. So now let's get to it. You have to go to your Apple Store or your Play Store to download Alipay. After you've downloaded your Alipay on your Play Store, your homepage should be looking like this. You have to choose whether to use phone number or email. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be using email address. Any mail can work. I don't know about Yahoo because I tried it earlier, it didn't work out. So, but other mails can work. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be using Gmail. So just enter your Gmail, and once you are done, click on sign up. Click on sign up and agree to the terms. Then follow up with the captcha. Once you are done, click on confirm and then check your mail address or your message for mobile number registration and get the code being sent to you and enter it. So after that, you set your password and re-enter your password again. So once you are done, just click on next. Select your country of origin. From here, we're selecting Nigeria. Select your country of origin, select Nigeria here. And then we are in. So the next step now is to upload your passport. Go to account. So as you can see, currently your balance is showing you cannot actually receive money here because of this information showing on the balance. So let's go and upload our passports, and then once we are done, we'll come back to this balance. You'll see the difference. So here we'll be adding our ID here. Just click on ID, add ID. I think the network is kind of slow. So here you can choose to enter your passport information manually, but it is best you just allow it scan. After you are done scanning, click on submit. Click on submit, and we are done. Now, if you go to your profile, you will notice that it will show you that the ID is already validated but not yet authenticated. So with this, you can actually still receive money. There is still one step left, which is your face scanning and the passport chip scanning. So let's get on to that. So the next thing now, you go to your profile, click on your identity information, and then select upload passport and verify face. So you click on that, click on verify now, and scan your face. Just make sure you are in a well lightened environment so that it will just scan successfully. Then once you are done, the next thing you need to do now is to verify your passport chip. This is where most persons get stuck. If you find it very difficult, like I said earlier in the video, just try and get a friend that has iPhone. If you don't have one, use an iPhone. It will be very much easier for you. If you are using Android, some might find it very difficult to capture it easily, but iPhone is actually very, very fast to capture. So click on the verify passport chip, and then follow the instruction as it is showing on the screen. With iPhone, it will be very easy for you to do this. Can you see? Just immediately it verifies. So once you are done, you now see your balance has already cleared. So now, once your balance is like this, like without any extra information addition, you can now receive money successfully. So let's go on and fund this Alipay and see if it's successful. Click on receive. Then you can save this image or screenshot here and give whoever is going to fund the Alipay for you to scan this code and fund you. So we're funding this now. We're trying it with 1000 RMB. As you can see, 1000 RMB has been successfully credited. This whole process is less than 10 minutes. You are done creating this account. Check your balance. As you can see, the money arrived successfully. Check balance. Voila, we are in. So next thing now, let's just try paying out and see if it also works as well. So we'll get Alipay of the same sender. Go to scan in this home page. Go to scan on the home page here. Click on scan. Scan the Alipay code and enter 1000. Because it's our first time, we'll have to create payment password. So set payment password. We'll re-enter it again, and we are good to go. Payment successful. So as you can see, it is very much easy to create Alipay account. Where most persons do have issues is at the point of the passport chip scanning, but with an iPhone it will be very much easy for you. So if you're using Android and you're finding it very difficult, please try using iPhone. If after watching this video and you're still finding it very difficult, especially with the passport chip capture, you can just send us a DM. And remember, we are Jericon Trade Ease. We simplify your China trade. If you want to fund your Alipay account, if you want to pay your suppliers, you can always message us, and our service is fast, reliable, and we offer the best rates in the market.